there's a few things you can do with your result set. Here is where we've done a look up on companies containing the word gift. So we've got 20 of them. I can hide the panel that's got the search parameters just to save me a bit of screen real estate. So I've got more room to view what's being displayed. And again, the fields that display here can be determined elsewhere. But here's some customer ID, company name, first names, phone numbers, that sort of thing. We might get some address information or emails and so on. Just to go into a card, you just hover on it and click. That brings up the card. You'll see up the top here we've got a section that says we've got 20 items in the search set. You can move between them as well. We've got the drop down with all those other names, so I can move quickly between cards here. I can use the arrows to go next, next, next. So if you've done a search that's got multiple customers that you want to look at, that's a useful way of doing it. To go back to the search, you can use this button, back to search. That'll return you to where you were. So any time you've been away from it, it'll actually remember the search parameters that you most recently used. And you've also got this tab here that says recent, which shows recent customers that you've been looking at. So here's the suite as gifts that we just looked at recently. If I went down and picked another one, say take Australian, there it is. If I come back at a later time, if I log out, come back in, when we return to customer, if we go to recent, there's take Australian use at the top of the list, so you can always quickly come back to customers that you've been looking at.